Hello, welcome back and welcome to you who are new. Let's go where we left in the last video.
The last thing we need to change about this page and about this container, when we go to the search and search for chess, it shows the title of the page, which is page 1 for container 1. So to fix that, we need to go to our main WordPress application and go to the page, and then go to the page 1 for container 1, quick edit, and change the title to chess and update the whole page. Now if you go to home page, if you search for chess, you get the chess here, and the visitor can go to the chess page or home page and the part about the chess. Okay, let's go for the second container and second page and make it for the second board game we are gonna present. We need to go to ChatGPT or any other AI website. Our second board game was Monopoly, and it gives us the strategy as well. Homepage Elementor, and second container going to be about Monopoly in the middle. Now we go to ChatGPT and copy back to our page, text editor, paste. 4 picture is too much, so I delete that and give it just one image. Go to align and make it in the middle. A picture, we go to pexel.com, download some pictures. For the main picture for the Monopoly, I picked this one because it's already said Monopoly on the picture, and we name it just Monopoly. It's been scaled by itself. Copy the name and put it on the all fields, or you can put more description if you are very serious about the pictures, and then select it. We need to change the face of this button, Monopoly, and publish. So we have done the container part. We also need to change something about Monopoly in our header, which we need to go to customize. So we go to our website, customize. We need to change this title, and we need to change this title. Configure the menu, secondary menu, edit the menu, and on the container 2 here, name it Monopoly, and it already changed to Monopoly. Publish. This is our primary menu and this is our sub menu. So we need to go to our primary menu and then our sub menu, which is page 2, and we change the navigation label to Monopoly, and now we already see Monopoly here. Publish. WordPress application, go to page 2 for container 2, quick edit, and change the text to Monopoly. Update. Now if we go to our home page, we see container about Monopoly, the picture, explanation, and the button, and the submenu, and even search is Monopoly, and then search, and in the search result we have Monopoly. Everything is working. From here we go to page 2, and we are in page 2. Okay, we need to modify this page for Monopoly. We need to gather some information about ChatGPT and Pixel and then put them in place to our page. Change the header. I always do it from here. Change it to Monopoly, and then the same picture as the first one for introducing, and already have all the fields. Select. Okay, we have some explanation about the Monopoly. Copy, paste, and we have the explanation here. We need to change the face of this button and say Monopoly and publish. You need to use your imagination, your talent, and make a very powerful pages about your subject. Now we go to our website homepage, and from here we go to page Monopoly right now, and our Monopoly page is starting to get shape. Now we need to put more details about Monopoly. Go to ChatGPT and key elements for the game. Copy, edit with Elementor, add one container, put a heading, image underneath the heading, and make it reasonable size, a text editor. Okay, now in this container we set the heading to the middle, picture to the middle. Okay, now we are ready to put details. Our header this time going to be key elements of the game. Copy, heading going to be key elements of the game, and our text going to be this part. Now go to text editor. Okay, now paste. Now our image, click on image and go to the image, and for the key elements we picked this picture probably to show more elements in the picture. Then again copy the name, put in all fields, and when you select it, is already set for our website. Right now we have details for second part. We need to get rid of this border on the top. Go to container, go to style, go to border, and set the border to none. Okay, now to move this button to the bottom of the page, it's better to use extractor and click on the button and you see the button selected. This is the best way rather than looking for it, because we have just few elements right now, but in your website you have maybe hundreds of the elements here. It's finding it is just sometimes impossible. So click on the element and it will go to the element, and then move it whenever you want. At this time, going to the bottom of the page, and now it is here. Okay, now get rid of this and publish. Let's go to our page, see how it looks like. Okay, now this is our website, second container, and go to the page from the home page, so you make sure everything is working, and you see Monopoly, picture, some explanation, again key elements, and then the button. Back to home page for Monopoly. We have changed the face of it. Then go, and you go to the container about Monopoly, second container. You don't go on the top, so you are anchoring to the Monopoly container. I'm very sorry, I misprinting here, so I will just fix it in a second. Now here we're gonna change this to Monopoly, or probably all in uppercase. Publish. Chess Monopoly. We need more details about our second page, Monopoly. Again, go to ChatGPT and copy strategies. Back to Monopoly page. Add another container. Add 3 key elements. Heading. Image under the heading. Text editor. Okay. Now our heading and going to be called strategy. Now our text, again ChatGPT, copy the whole strategy and back to our page. Again, paste everything in the text editor field. Okay. Now again, make the image a little bit smaller, and by going to advanced and in the middle, go to choose image and pick the third picture, which is this one. Copy, paste to the all fields, and just select it, and it's coming to our page straight away. Again, we need to move this button to the end of the page. So go to structure, click on the button, and you see it here, and you can move it in the bottom of the page here, and publish. Get rid of structures. Okay. Now see what we have done to our page, and you go to the Monopoly page, all page about Monopoly, and at the end of it we have a button to go back to home page about Monopoly, exactly the container about Monopoly, not on the top. We're gonna check everything is working. Our submenu is Monopoly, alright. Our search engine is going to be Monopoly, and homepage, of course. Back to home, Okay, we do all the same procedure by ChatGPT and Pixel about our third and fourth container and pages, and at the end of it we will go for SEO, which is search engine optimization, and registering our website to Google search engine. Okay, so in our website we have got chess here up, Monopoly up, internal navigation is good, Scrabble up, and Cotton. We have completed our website. Congratulations. Everything is working. In your real website, you really need to be serious about privacy and policy, about us, and contact us. Now we are going for SEO, which is search engine optimization, and present our website to Google search engine. Also, go to your server, make sure the maintenance mode is off. In the first video, I showed you this diagram as I made it for this YouTube video illustration about the component and department involving in this project, and we already did the foundation as Hostinger web server, and we have installed, actually Hostinger have installed WordPress for us on our disk space, and we have our 1-year domain name, and already downloaded and installed our theme and also the plugins, at the moment Elementor, and we are working in this environment, which is all happening in our disk space in the Hostinger online. So now we finished our website and Hostinger has published it on the internet, and we can see our website on the internet. Now is the time for installing the SEO plugins, all-in-one SEO for search engine optimization, and registering our website to the Google search engine. And when we see our website in the Google search result, then we have done it. Now we are in our WordPress application, and we're gonna add a plugin as I said, all-in-one SEO, add new plugin, search for all-in-one SEO, and this is the search engine optimization application we are going to use, and you can see how many people are using this right now. You have got other options as well, so we are going to use this one, install, and right away activate. Now we have all-in-one SEO activated. First thing first, let's go to all-in-one plugin, and straight away it asks you connect to Google Search Console. Google Search Console is where you need to register your website in it and see what is your performance and also the pages and everything. So I will show you just one overview of our website. Here it is Google Search Console. You need to register your website individually by yourself here, or you can do it by helping a plugin, any plugin for SEO, in our case all-in-one SEO. So by clicking here, you go to the Google Search Console and you register your website here automatically. You go to URL inspection and then click for your website, and it will tell you if you have been registered or not. Then you have to register your website and it guides you through. But in all-in-one, it makes it very easy. It just straight away go to Google Search Console and register you. So go there, and here in all-in-one you have general setting, and now we are in the webmaster tools where we have to register our website for Google search engine, Microsoft Bing, and the others. So right now we are gonna register for Google Search Console. Connect your site to Google Search Console, and so all is been done by all-in-one SEO. Connect, click and complete connection. Now your website is connected to the Google Search Console. Now if you go to the Google Search Console, inspect for URL, and it says URL is on Google. So eventually we have our website in the Google Search Console. It takes maybe a couple of hours or even days or even sometimes weeks to be connected and activated and shown in the search result. Now we go to the Google and search for our website. And our website here. If you click on it, and the magic happened. Our website live, working with all the links and connections on the Google search result, live. I hope you enjoy this series of video, and I invite you to watch my other videos. Thank you for watching, and like it and subscribe. It helps me, you, and others. See you soon.